Hello and good afternoon, LinkedIn, and happy Monday. Just received some great news here. Many of us who've been developing for the Microsoft HoloLens have been using the HoloKit and the Mixed Reality Toolkit for the past 2.5 years. As of this morning, they just released the vNext branch, which is really the next generation of a collection of scripts and components which is intended to accelerate the development of applications, not only targeting the Microsoft HoloLens, but now the Windows Microsoft Mixed Reality headsets. And it's also going to support a wider audience, allowing solutions to be built that will run on multiple virtual reality, augmented reality, and XR platforms, such as Steam, OpenVR, and OpenXR initially, right? So let's take a look at what this is actually going to look like here. This is the original Microsoft Toolkit for Unity, and what this really was just a collection of APIs and certain types of scripts that accelerated development. It gave you a lot of different types of information on inputs and sharing, spatial mapping, utilities, UX control, spatial sound, spatial mapping, spatial understanding, building and boundaries, etc. But also allowed you to develop within the simulator itself. One of the newer ones now for this vNext is what we've been looking at, is essentially it's going to support this wider audience, but the implementation is going to be a lot easier because the SDK isn't going to be segmented. It's going to support all of these to enable rapid prototyping and ease of adoption for many new users. And again, I've always been coming back to this, that the programming within Unity and Unreal is going to become easier and easier as we go on. Maybe sometime in the future you won't even need to understand C script or certain types of programming languages. But what this does is it ensures an extensive framework for advanced integrators, right? With a certain ability to swap out core components with their own should you want to. Like you can just have a prefab drag and drop on something and it'll work just fine. I'm going to put the link to this below this thread. If you have any questions, reach out to me, but I highly recommend that everybody, especially developers, jump in and start using this today, because many of the new scenes are very simple to use, and it's I find it highly advantageous for training simulations. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to talk to you guys more about this soon. Bye-bye, guys.